Alright, what's up guys? You know, it's your girl Jabre here, back with another video. Today I'm coming to you with my wash day routine. I've been traveling, my curls was suffering, so I needed to do my hair. So if you guys want to see how I got to this, stay tuned, keep watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Alright guys, so I'm just going to start off by sectioning my hair into 4 sections. Well, really 3 sections, because I'm going to leave the 4th section out, and you'll see me doing that. Okay, so now I'm just going to wet that section and kind of run my fingers through it a little bit, kind of get some of the tangles out. And then I'm going to go in with my Sulfur 8 Deep Cleansing Shampoo. I'm using I'm not using a sulfate-free shampoo this wash routine, because I was traveling and I was wearing my hair in slick ponytails and 2 puffs and a big puff, and there was just so much gel and built up product in my hair from wash and goes and all that other stuff. So my hair needed a good clean, which is why you see me running it through the strands of my hair as well, not just my scalp. And guys, always remember, when shampooing your hair, use your fingertips and not your nails. You want to use your fingertips. So now I'm going to use this leave-in conditioner. Well, it's not a leave-in conditioner. It is a mask, a hair mask. And it's from Garnier. And y'all, I was really shocked about this. You can see my face. I was really shocked about this mask because it left my hair feeling so good. And it's like not even promoted for like my type of hair. So I was really shocked, but the only reason why I used it is because I was at my sister's house and this was the hair mask that she had. But I'm actually gonna go pick this up, and I wouldn't necessarily use it for every wash day as a like deep conditioner or mask, but when I need a really good squeak clean, I'd use it. So I highly recommend the mask, and I'll leave everything in the description box so that you guys can purchase these items if you want to. Look at them curls. Juicy. Boom. Look at that. Just detangle all through your hair. And I know like most people put their hair in 4 sections, but I wasn't feeling it, so I didn't do it. And I'm gonna pull it up and I let it sit in my hair. The instructions say 3 minutes, but I just finished showering and that took longer than 3 minutes. So, and then I washed it out. So this is how my curls are looking before I rinse it out. And I forgot to mention, I just colored my hair too, so I really needed a good clean. I didn't use bleach, but I did use developer. So, and guys, that hair on the wall, that's how I keep hair from growing in the drain. So after I finger detangle and stuff, I'll just wipe it on the wall of the shower, and then when I get out, I'll take it out. And what you see on the wall is literally the amount of hair that came out of my head, which is not a lot, which is really good. I did not have a lot of shedding, which is surprising being how much I put my hair through. So now I'm going in with my Aussie Moist conditioner, and I'm using it as a leave-in today because I didn't feel like buying a leave-in conditioner. And you guys, I've started to put my leave-in in right once I cut the shower off, so that my hair has the maximum amount of moisture in it without me having to use a spray bottle and put it back in there. So before I get out of the shower, I go ahead and put my leave-in in, and then I dry off, put on some clothes, and then I get ready to do my hair. And I also put oil on my hair after this as well. I find that doing the LOC versus LCO is much more healthier for my hair. It does so much better. Like after I put oil in my hair after this, I did not have to use a spray bottle, and I've never not done my hair without a spray bottle. So now I'm going in with the twist defining cream from As I Am, and I'm going to split the back section into 2 main sections, and then I'm going to split the first section into 2, and I'm going to begin to twist the back of my hair.
Super Scott Productions.
And again, like I said, guys, I did not use a spray bottle while doing this style. Did not pick up one spray bottle. Did not use gel. I didn't use any gel. Mainly because they didn't have gel at the store. They didn't have Eco Styler gel, nor did they have the new gel that I've been using, which I will definitely be posting a video about. So I just didn't use any gel, and I was scared, my hair wasn't gonna hold, but it's holding, baby. It is holding. Okay, so I finished the rest of my hair off camera. Look at those twists, y'all. Just so juicy. And don't mind that product on my hair. It will dry. And so now I am parting the front of my hair because I'm going to do some little funky thing with the crown of my head. And y'all, I had no idea what I was doing. I literally had no idea what I was doing. I just know I wanted something done to the front of my head. So I grabbed the comb and I started parting. Got me some rubber bands and some edge control. And I went to town, honey. So I'm going to just let y'all watch what I did because I really can't explain it. So just look at what I did. Okay, and what I'm doing right here is I'm splitting this little kind of triangle-ish section that I have, and I'm gonna split that into 3. This is one right here. I'm gonna put some Carol's Daughter hair honey on it, and I'm putting it on my scalp because I don't use grease, and this is the closest thing that I will use, closest to grease. And I put that on my scalp, and then I went back with the twist defining cream because I am actually going to twist it, and then I go in with the glazed edges. Y'all, this edge control right here,
Super
baby, slick, honey. And y'all, like, what I love about this edge control is like my edges stay in place. And when I say stay in place, I mean stay in place. Like, I didn't do my baby hairs or nothing right here, but no, like I still don't have frizz to this day, and I'm on like day 3 here right now. So yeah, this edge control right here, it really reminds me of Murphy's, but it's not Murphy's. Like, it's more easier to apply. Like, Murphy's kind of clumps up a little bit, but it's still good. Don't get me wrong, I still got it. But this right here, Alright, so as you see, I did those two, and then boom, the whole front is done. And I went back afterwards and connected the very front side diagonally, and on the two sides I just grabbed them together with the rubber band and connected it. And I twisted the rest of the remaining hair that's out, that's not twisted. I twisted all of that up just like this. So as you can see, I connected it on the sides, connected in the front. And y'all, this would go really cute with some gold clips, but I didn't have any and I wasn't gonna go get any. So I would recommend it if that's something you want, but I didn't use it. I wish I had it, but I didn't use it. And this is the finished product. Curls shapopping. You hear me? Shapopping. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hit the subscribe button. See you guys later.